Welcome back to the Wig.Obsessed YouTube channel. My name is Marcy. Today I'm unboxing this Uniwigs Talia in the color 516R Espresso Cream Blend. Let's get started. Talia is a luxurious, effortless wig, super sleek, designed for a natural and voluminous look. Beautiful packaging as always from Uniwigs, with lots of extra goodies, a comb, a wig cap, all the things. This is my first look at this color, you guys. I've seen it online showcased by other content creators, but I'm so excited to see it today. What a rich brown with highlights. I love dimensional hair, no matter if it's blonde or gray or brown or anywhere in between. No matter what, I prefer a dimensional color when choosing hair for myself. Talia is 100% Remy human hair in an 18-inch length in the color 516R Espresso Cream Blend. Talia is made with a PureFit lace cap. Let's take a look. Okay, Talia has a mono top, which means you have parting flexibility in any direction. She comes with a lace front that goes well into the ear tabs, and something I have never seen before is a velvet lined cap. You guys, this is gonna feel so smooth against the skin, especially if you've experienced hair loss. This is gonna feel so good on the skin. She also has clips here at the ear tabs for additional security, straps here for adjustable sizing, and just a few wefts that are closed at the nape. The SKU for Talia is LS2503. Okay, I am super excited to try this one on, but I gotta cut that tag. Be right back. Okay, no more ado. I am so excited to try this one on. After seeing it showcased by other content creators, it's my turn. Okay. I need to get her a little bit lower. Oh my goodness. This hair feels so sleek and soft, like high quality human hair. Straight out of the box, she's gonna need just a little bit of heat to regain that sleek styling that she lost in transit through shipping. I will take her off in just a moment, put her on my mannequin head, and we'll straighten up these ends and see how she looks. But before we do, let's see what she looks like straight out of the box. Look at that natural movement. Really, really pretty, you guys. Let's look at this hairline. I am so loving this hair. Okay, let's take her off. I'm gonna put her on my mannequin head, apply a little bit of heat, take away some of that bed head from transit. Oh my gosh. I just love the ability to stand back and look at all of this dimension, something that's a little bit hard for me to see when I'm looking into the camera, but it's so pretty. Okay, yeah, so see this little curl here? We'll apply some heat. We'll get that straightness back that she was intended for. Okay, before I do, I'm gonna grab some heat protectant. Okay. I have straightened out these ends. Let's try her back on. Oh my gosh. Look at that sleekness. So beautiful. This Talia in this color of brown with its gorgeous dimension and sleek 100% Remy human hair is just so beautiful. Uniwigs is just so well known for its budget-friendly, beautiful Remy human hair wigs. And this is just another offering that I cannot recommend enough. So, so pretty. Tell me what you think.